Yo, what's up everybody on YouTube? Today we are going to do a little experiment. We're going to start off with this bottle right here.
We don't know what happens.
Now when we take this bottle here, we're going to put these in there. Here we go.
What are they? You dropped one.
It's okay.
Damn it. Bouncing.
They're all bouncing around, boy.
Yeah.
Alright. We're almost done with that part there. Let's put a little bit more here.
It's bouncing.
And then we'll take it here and put it right in there.
Think we're going to be playing those.
Alright. So while we're doing this part here, we're going to go over here and put this one in. You want one bottle full of water, that much right there. And we're going to take that and we're going to take this here. This here is going to go into this water. Now, here we go. We're going to change the color.
Uh-oh. I can't watch.
All right, check that out. The water is changing. Now, here's where it's going to get interesting. We're going to take... So I realized that in order to get this to work here with this here in this piece, we have to cut this off here. So we gently take this here. And we remove that piece. Same thing here. We go here.
I don't know what's happen. What do you think is going to happen?
I don't know. We'll have to find out what we're doing.
Yeah.
So we gotta take it and cut it. That's what's gonna happen. So we took it here, took it off, and there we go. Now we throw these pieces away along with this. We don't play with that. All right. So back to what we were doing here. We got our bottle of beads. We've got our bottle filled with water. We're going to take this piece here and we're going to place it on top.
Now what happened?
Now, what do we do next? You take that and put it where? Talk to me. What are we doing?
It's there.
So what are we doing with this?
It's in there.
We're going to put it on here, right?
Yeah.
So now we're going to take this here and we're going to go like that. So now we can just take these and put these together just like this. Just like that. Now we're going to just shake them in. Is that going to come out? I don't know. Let's see what happens when we go and shake it. Demo. Gotta shake it. There's some stuff in there. There it goes.
Tornado!
Look at that, guys. We have a live tornado.
Now what are you going to do
Oh, look at that. It's a tornado. Whoa, look at that. The tornado.
next?
What is up, YouTube? So we got our bottle thing here. Now we're going to go here and we're going to spin it around and see what we get. Are you guys ready for this?
Me too.
Are you ready, Dylan?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Mark that white button.
Here we go. Is it going to spin? No. It's not going to spin. Why is it not spinning? Are these beads too much for it? No, I think the beads are too much for it. We'll have to take a look. Well, what?
I don't know.
I think the beads are too much, boy.
What am I gonna do?
Looks like.
There we go. One more time.
Nope, it's not spinning.
There it goes.
Alright guys, so I think those beads we were using were too big. So now let's try this again. We got our top on here. We've got our empty bottle. We're going to place it on top. What's gonna happen? I don't know either. Alright, let's find out and see if this will work. Flip it around.
I make a different cover than them.
I think there's too many in there, boy. Look at that tornado, though. That was cool. So we're going to take it here and mix it in. See if that will... Those beads are not going to work.
Suppose we try just water.
You want just water?
Yeah.
So we're going to try just water. Now it's still not doing its thing. So this is trial and error, guys. We're going to do it just without, but it looks like we got a little leak over here. See that right there? Let's go and fix it again. We'll be back with the old drawing board. Alright guys, we are back again. So we have a new one of our tops there. And then we're going to go and take this here again. What's up, Dylan? Alright, here we go. Let's see what we can do here. Now, can we see this here in the video? I think we can. Alright, so we got our water bottle here. We're going to put our... Dylan said we're just going to try with water this time. So, here we go. Nope, not yet, not yet. So we got our green food coloring in, and now we're placing up our bottle on top. All right. So we're gonna mix this up.
I'll do it.
Hold on. You can do it next. We gotta mix it up, and now here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Let go. There it goes. Look at that. It's a tornado, guys. Hold on. Let me go ahead and finish. Wait, it's not done yet. No, not done yet. All right, now do it. And this is where it gets good, guys. Here he goes. Dylan is moving it on his own. Now he's got to shake it. Shake it. Shake it like this. Can you get it to be a tornado? Shake it. Oh, it was close. Here, let me help. Look, no, don't do that. Do this. All right, let go.
I did it.
Look at that. Look at that. What is it?
It's a tornado.
Oh, look at that tornado. All right, now do it again. You gonna flip it over? Ready?
Yeah.
So you just got to take it a couple times like that. Shake it like this. All right, let go. You got to get it circling like this, like a circle. All right, now look. There it goes. Look at that, guys. Dylan did it.